Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural solution to enhance your intimate health? Today, I'm going to reveal a little-known secret that the wives of natural health doctors have quietly known about for years. It's something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen pantry: coconut oil. But here's the twist: this isn't just for cooking. It's actually a powerful tool that can transform your intimate health in ways you may never have imagined. By the end of this video, you'll understand why coconut oil has become a staple for so many women and how it could make a difference in your life too. Let's start by looking at what makes coconut oil so unique. Coconut oil isn't just a simple moisturizer, it's packed with natural compounds like lauric acid, which has some remarkable properties that can benefit your health. Lauric acid, when converted by the body, becomes monolaurin. This natural compound is known for its strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral effects. And interestingly, monolaurin is found in breast milk as well, providing essential protection to newborns. Imagine having that same level of defense for your intimate health. But coconut oil does more than just protect, it nourishes. Whether applied topically or consumed, coconut oil supports the skin, keeping it hydrated, soft, and resilient. Its fatty acids help create a barrier on your skin that locks in moisture while also fighting off harmful bacteria. So, when it comes to maintaining your intimate health, coconut oil is like a multi-purpose, all-natural wonder. And the best part? It's easy to use, safe, and completely free from the chemicals you might find in traditional products. One of the most common issues women face is yeast infections. If you've ever had one, you know how uncomfortable and disruptive they can be. Typically, people turn to over-the-counter antifungal creams that often contain harsh ingredients. While these can be effective, they sometimes come with side effects like burning or irritation. So, here's where coconut oil shines as a natural alternative. Coconut oil's antifungal properties are especially effective against Candida albicans, the primary fungus responsible for yeast infections. The lauric acid in coconut oil works to break down the cell walls of fungi, effectively killing them and preventing future growth. Imagine applying a soothing layer of coconut oil that not only fights the infection but also provides a natural barrier and moisturizing relief. You don't have to deal with the discomfort of synthetic creams, just a gentle, natural approach to relief. And it's not just for treatment, it can also be used as a preventive measure. Applying a small amount of coconut oil regularly can help keep the area hydrated and create an environment where harmful bacteria and fungi are less likely to thrive. It's a win-win for anyone looking for a natural solution to a common problem. Let's talk about another issue many women face, especially as they age: vaginal dryness. This can be due to hormonal changes, menopause, or certain medications. Conventional lubricants are often filled with chemicals and preservatives that can sometimes worsen irritation or throw off your body's natural pH balance. Coconut oil, however, is a completely natural option with no additives. As a natural moisturizer, coconut oil deeply hydrates the skin, offering long-lasting relief. It's also safe to use as a lubricant, providing a gentle and smooth experience without any irritating chemicals. This can make intimacy more comfortable, while also nourishing the skin and helping maintain the natural pH balance. And since coconut oil is also naturally antibacterial, it provides an extra layer of protection against infection while you use it. For those concerned about sensitivity, it's worth noting that coconut oil is well tolerated by most people. Just make sure to use organic, extra virgin coconut oil to avoid any additives or chemicals that could irritate the skin. Before using it consistently, you can try a patch test on a small area to ensure you don't have any sensitivity. Beyond intimate health issues, coconut oil is also incredibly beneficial for dealing with skin irritation in your intimate area. Whether it's due to shaving, waxing, or even tight clothing, irritation in this sensitive area can be painful and annoying. Coconut oil, with its soothing properties, can help reduce redness, relieve irritation, and speed up the healing of minor cuts or abrasions. By creating a natural barrier, coconut oil protects the skin from further irritation while allowing it to heal. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm the skin, while the fatty acids keep it hydrated, helping to prevent dryness and cracking. This is especially helpful if you often experience chafing or discomfort from daily activities. So, the next time you experience irritation, reach for a small amount of coconut oil instead of commercial balms. It's affordable, free from chemicals, and provides relief without clogging pores or irritating the skin further. Just a small amount after a shower can work wonders in keeping your skin soft, protected, and comfortable. Coconut oil isn't just a quick fix for specific problems, it can actually be part of your daily routine for maintaining intimate health. Thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, coconut oil helps keep the delicate pH balance in your intimate area, preventing the overgrowth of bacteria and yeast that can lead to infections and discomfort. Using a small amount of coconut oil daily, especially after a shower, can help create a clean, healthy environment that supports overall well-being. It even helps reduce unwanted odors, keeping you feeling fresh and confident throughout the day. Unlike commercial products with synthetic fragrances, coconut oil provides a natural scent-free solution, without any risk of irritation from perfumes or chemicals. Incorporating coconut oil into your routine is as simple as applying a small amount to the area after a shower. This is a great way to maintain moisture, keep the skin soft, and prevent minor irritations from developing. For those looking for a gentle, effective, and natural addition to their intimate health routine, coconut oil truly shines as an all-in-one solution. So, what can we take away from all of this? Coconut oil is far more than a cooking ingredient, it's a powerful, all-natural tool for maintaining intimate health. From fighting yeast infections and relieving dryness to soothing irritation and promoting overall balance, coconut oil can be a transformative addition to your wellness routine. And the best part? It's affordable, easily accessible, and 100% natural. The next time you see that jar of coconut oil in your kitchen, remember, you're holding more than just an ingredient for cooking or skincare. You're holding a natural remedy with the potential to enhance your intimate health, making it an ideal solution for those seeking safe and effective options. Give coconut oil a try, and let us know in the comments how it's worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips and remedies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.